Hello guys, there we have a Samsung washing machine WW80T504DAEA, and today I'm gonna show you how you can create and add cycle to your favorites. So, in the first step, open the washer in your SmartThings apps. Then go down and open the My Favorite. Click on the plus in the right down corner. Now we can change the name of the program, the cycle, temperature, rinse and spin. So manage this function and adjust it to your needs and click on the save. Now you can start it now from this display. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.